Hummingbird feeders are a practical, high-visibility way to attract and observe one of North America's most energetic songbirds. The best models balance nectar capacity, feeding ports, and maintenance ease while resisting leaks, bees, and ants. In this review, I tested 5 feeders spanning glass and plastic construction, built-in ant/moat features, and a heated option designed for winter use.
Product number 1, Hummingbirds Red Jewel Hummingbird Feeder. The Hummingbirds Red Jewel combines a red glass bottle with polished copper accents and 5 flower-shaped feeding ports, delivering 20 ounces of nectar capacity. The glass construction is attractive and premium feel with a classic design that suits traditional garden spaces. The 5 ports support multiple hummingbirds feeding concurrently, and the easy refill top simplifies nectar replenishment without removing the base. This model is a strong aesthetic choice and performs well in steady outdoor conditions, though glass implies caution around impact and winter exposure. Performance-wise, the glass bottle provides a clear nectar view, aiding refill timing, while the 5 ports spread feeding pressure and reduce aggression among birds. Product number 2, Plastic Hummingbird Feeders for Outdoors Hanging. This budget-friendly 2-pack uses red transparent plastic with 5 feeding ports and perches. A built-in ant moat is a standout feature for keeping nectar clean, and a twist-on connection design aims to reduce leaks, even without additional washers. The 15-ounce capacity is modest, but having 2 feeders provides redundancy and increased feeding opportunities for birds, while the sturdy plastic construction makes it weather-resistant and transport-friendly. Performance-wise, the plastic design prioritizes practicality over premium aesthetics. The twist-on assembly streamlines filling and cleaning, and the anti-evaporation moat with water barrier helps minimize nectar contamination by ants. Product number 3, Heated Hummingbird Feeders for Outdoors. This heated feeder from Lanethal offers a winter-ready solution with 15 ounces per feeder and 4 feeding ports. The 2-in-1 design combines hanging capability with window suction for indoor-outdoor versatility. A heated element is integrated into the system to mitigate icing, making it a strong choice for regions with freezing temperatures. The 2-pack increases feeding opportunities during winter and supports varied placement for visibility from indoors. Performance-wise, the heater adds complexity and requires power access, but it significantly reduces nectar freezing risk for winter feeding. The wide mouth design aids refilling and cleaning, and the leak-proof construction helps maintain nectar integrity during temperature fluctuations. Product number 4, Feed Garden Glass Hummingbird Feeder for Outdoors Hanging. Feed Garden combines glass construction with 4 feeding ports, bee guards, and a built-in ant moat in a 16-ounce capacity. The glass vessel offers clarity for nectar monitoring and an attractive red design. The inclusion of bee guards and a moat targets deterrence of common nectar thieves, enhancing feeding efficiency. The design emphasizes durability and ease of cleaning with a wide mouth bottle and leak-resistant gasket. Performance-wise, the 360-degree perches and bee/ant deterrents make this model stand out in insect-prone environments. Cleaning remains straightforward due to the wide mouth and disassembly capability, though glass care remains essential year-round. Use cases include front porch, garden trellises. Product number 5 is the Perky Pet 203 CPBN-2 Glass Hummingbird Feeders for Outdoors with Perches. This Perky Pet package includes 2 glass feeders, each with 4 flower ports, perches, an integrated ant moat, and bee guards. The 8-ounce capacity per feeder is compact, making it a good choice for small yards or for supplementing a larger feeding setup. Being glass, it looks premium and provides easy nectar monitoring, while the anti-evaporation moat helps nectar stay fresher longer between fills. Performance-wise, the 8-ounce capacity means more frequent refills, but the single-piece construction with built-in moat and guards can simplify maintenance. The pack size allows staggered placement to attract birds across different sight lines. Cleaning remains straightforward due to full disassembly.